Unlocking the stage, understanding audition tapes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that bridges the world of performance and opportunity: the audition tape. Whether you're an aspiring actor, a musician, or any type of performer, mastering the art of the audition tape is your ticket to success. Let's get started on this exciting journey. An audition tape is a personal recording that showcases a performer's talents. It's like a professional snapshot, capturing your skills and personality in action. These tapes are often submitted to casting directors or talent scouts as part of the selection process for various roles or positions. Think of it as your personal advertisement, highlighting why you're the perfect fit for the opportunity at hand. A great audition tape isn't just about talent. It's also about presentation. Here are some essentials. Quality. The video and audio should be clear. Invest in good equipment or seek out a professional to record your tape. Performance. Choose a piece that showcases your range and fits the role or opportunity you're applying for. Personality. Let your unique flair shine through. Be memorable. Brevity. Keep it concise. A long tape can be tedious. Aim for the sweet spot that keeps them wanting more. Creating your tape involves a few steps. Selection. Pick the right material that best showcases your abilities. Rehearsal. Practice until you can deliver a natural and confident performance. Recording. Set up a quiet, well-lit space with a neutral background. Record multiple takes and choose the best one. Editing. Trim the footage to remove any errors or unnecessary parts. Add your contact information at the beginning or end. Do's. Be prepared. Know your material inside out. Be professional. Dress appropriately and maintain a professional demeanor. Be authentic. Stay true to yourself and your style. Don'ts. Don't make it too long. Keep it under 3 minutes. Don't use poor quality footage. First impressions count. Don't forget to smile and show your enthusiasm for the craft. Creating an impactful audition tape can be a defining moment in your career. It's your moment to shine and show the world what you're made of. Remember, it's not just about landing a role. It's about presenting yourself as the dedicated and passionate performer you are. We hope this video helps you on your path to success. Break a leg, and see you on stage or screen.